Welcome to Crafty Workshop Builds. Today I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter on a B7 Audi A4, so stay tuned. The cabin air filter is located on the upper left side of the engine bay. I'm going to remove the two plastic coverings, then I'll be able to remove the filter. Notice that the dirty filter catches the dust and debris on the backside. This is the new filter that I'll be installing. Make sure that the airflow arrow is pointing down when installing the new filter. Once the new filter is in, I can then reinstall the coverings. And that's going to be it for this cabin air filter replacement. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.